Yes, Team Balay Tige versus Bulihan.
Balay Tige kontra koponan Bulihan Interpuki. And it's just number 26. And it's starting to pass on the motor and it's just number 28, Villa Prapa. Just number 13, Deep Villa Prapa. And he gets the first 2 points of the voting. 2-0 and he's Villa Stolen versus. Take it 4-0. And it's just number 14, inside pass, and he's versus just number 10. And the first 2 points para sana ng mga taga-Bulihan. Ay nako yun, just number 10, and he's just number 13, Deep from way downtown, won't go. And even just number 17, pass to just number 14, Aquino, bullet pass just number 10, Ate. From the three-lane jumper, and we go. Deep in. Luwalhati holding the leather product just number 14. And it's just number 13. Bullet pass just number 11. Inside play. Make it 6-4 sa ating talaan. And here we go, just number 26, just number 14, Aquino, ang mga atake. Extra pass, just number 10. And he got just number Ramos. Short corner, won't go. And a bullet pass, just number 13. One-on-one situation, deep in, whistle blow. Foul charge, just number 17. First drive, just number 13, deep in, free throw line. And he gets the basket. Second try to beat the last. Back up the iron, and he gets just number 10, just number 0. He's Luwalhati sa gawing kaliwa sa tatluan. 3. Hakina, Ate, Ramos, from the baseline. Ayaw na abigan na yan. Ingat Villa Prapa pa sa just number 0. Bullet pass just number 13. Balik lang kay Villa Prapa. And a turnover. And here's just number 14. Drop pass. Agaw dito pa sa mga taga-Balay Tige. Eto na jersey number 0. Takes off. Make it 12-4, timeout, requested by Bulihan. And here's just number 14, drop pass just number 10. From the cutting man, just number 26 from the killing jumper. Ayaw, and he got just number 17, Dila Santos. Bullet pass just number 13. From the middle, whistle blow. And a turnover. Luwalhati. Ayaw, and he got jersey number 26. Pass jersey number 17. And here we go, jersey number 17, driving in the middle, and he gets the good, and he got stolen, jersey number 14, Aquino, Ramos, inside pass, pokes, fire, ayaw, and he gets jersey number 26, Ramos, Drop pass, jersey number 10, fade away, whistle blow. Foul charge, jersey number 17, De Los Santos. First try, jersey number 10, free throw line. Not basket. Second try to be the last. 2 to make 1. Make it 12-7, 5-point lead. Para sana ng mga taga-Balete. And here we go, jersey number 13, deep in. Bullet pass, in the drop to jersey number 17, ayaw. And he got jersey number 01, pass jersey number 26. Whistle blow, whistle blow. And a trapping in violation. 4 minutes and 13. And here's just number 0. Deep in beyond the arc. High out. Pass just number 14 is Aquino. 2-1-1 situation, shifting direction, and he gets the good. Time out. Requested by Balete. Back to the ball game. And here we go, jersey number 13, deep in ang di-discuss time. Bounce pass. Ayaw, and he gets the cover. Jersey number 7, Villa Prompa, and he gets the basket, there he go. And he gets jersey number 4, drop pass, jersey number 05 brother. And attacking the baseline. And one play. At may foul na tawag. Foul charge, jersey number 17. De Los Santos, dalawa. Rodriguez to complete his 3-point play. Back up the iron. And here's just number 17. Rodriguez, baga na walang bola. 5 seconds to shoot. And here we go. Deep in. Tutak ating mani. Make it 16. And 5-point lead, Barcelona. Just number 7. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. And here we go. Hopefully dito pa sana mga tagubulian. And here's just number Rodriguez. Drop pass. Ako dito sana ng mga tagubulian. Mr. Blow. Foul charge just number 17. Tatlo. Palitan. Takit. Aquino holding the leather, driving from top of the key. And a locking bounce, just number 14, Aquino. And here we go, jersey number 7, Lualati. 2 deep in. Requesting for a pick. Deep in ang may tangan. 10 on the shot clock. Inside pass, jersey number 7. Villa Prompa sa ilalim. And he gets the 2 points. Make it 18 to 13. And here we go, jersey number 17. Rejected. Short corner, ayaw. And even jersey number, Tagaw ang buko. And here we go, pass jersey number, Agaw dito. He gets stolen, jersey number 7. Bullet pass. Angeles from the baseline. Handball play. Foul charge, jersey number 7. Rodriguez to complete his 3-point play. Sa free throw line. Hayaw and even jersey number to the ating man, Rodriguez. Babasa isa ang kalamangan. And here's jersey number 13. And he gets stolen dito para sa atin ng mga tagubulian. And here's jersey number 17, Rodriguez. From the key lane jumper. And he gets to go. And a first change favor of the ball game. Make it 19 to 18. And here we go, jersey number 0. And he got rejected. Principal just sa ilalim. And here's jersey number 4, isang minuto. Palitan. 58 seconds remaining. $55 seconds. 50. Luwalhati beyond the arc. And 5, just number 14, Mendoza. 40 seconds. Heto na, jersey number 0 takes off. 30 seconds. 25. On top of the key, Angeles won't go. 20 seconds. Whistle blow. 10 seconds. 16. Shot clock is off. 16. 16. 10. 5. 1.3 seconds. 1.3. End of the first period.
Fourth quarter between Balay-Tigi and Bulihan.
Blue ball, blue ball. And here's jersey number 14, jersey number 4. Maulyon driving in the middle. Laglag. Jersey number 1, jersey number 6, Ramos. 3. Make it 61 to 58. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan. And here's jersey number 0, Luwalhati. And jersey number 4, deep in. And he gets the basket. Make it 63 to 58. And here's jersey number 8, Maulyon. Jersey number 14, driving in the middle. Green ball. And here we go, jersey number 13 to pass jersey number 0. Requesting for a play. To the cutting man. And he got stolen jersey number 4. Maulyon. Stop and fire. Top of the key. Ayaw. And rebound jersey number 13. Deep in. Ang di-discarded. To the cutting man inside toss. After the basket. Whistle blow. Same ball. Whistle blow. Ball charge jersey number 24. 4 rather, 4. Jersey number 4, dalawa. First try, back of the iron. Second try to beat the last. Puto natin, and he got stealing over. Agaw dito para sa kanila mga kasuli. And here's jersey number 4, Maulyon, and he got stolen. Palitan. And here's jersey number 0, Luwalhati. Jersey number 28. And the play. Make it 65 to 58. And he got jersey number 4, Maulyon. Maulyon ang di-discarte. To the cutting man, and he got jersey number 7. 10 seconds on the shot clock. At may paligagawan. All charge jersey number 7, Villafranca.
Madalas ang
First
bola.
try, jersey number 01, Montemayor. And he gets the basket. Second try to be in the last shot. 2 to make 1. And even just number 7, just number 0. He is luwalhati ang may tangan. Luwalhati, slow play apply. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 28 on the killing jumper. Won't go. And he got jersey number 7 accelerating. Laglag sa ilalim. He got jersey number 14. Ayaw pa rin, still recover and he gets the goal. Make it 65 to 61. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan. And here's jersey number 0. Luwalhati ang didiskarte. Bounce pass to the Katiman. Killing jumper. And here's jersey number 26. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 4. Maulyon. Ramos ang didiskarte. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shot now continues. Warning now. 5 seconds to work with. And he gets stolen. Jersey number 4. 2 on the situation. Deny. Hindi pwede yan. And Maulyon. Beyond the arc. And offensive ball. Jersey number 1. Montemayor.
Foul din muna. No foul.
5 minuto. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Whistle blow. Foul charge jersey number 14. Time out requested by Critic. Oras unat 4 minutes 55. 4 minutes to 55. 4 na minuto at 55 segundo para sa ating final period. And here's jersey number 0, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Back. And he gets jersey number 5. Nagaw din sa akin ng mga kaperte. And here's jersey number 4, 6, saging move. Sayang. Foul charge jersey number 7. Angeles is first. First try jersey number 4, ayaw. Second try to beat the last shot. Palitan. Maulyon. Jersey number 14 from the short corner. And he gets the goal. Make it 68 to 65. 3-point lead para sa akin ng mga green. And that is jersey number 28. Luwalhati is a blow. And a traveling violation. 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. And he's jersey number 8. Maulyon. Driving like a bull, and he gets stolen jersey number 0, and a possible play, jersey number 13 takes off. And here's jersey number 5, Bata, challenging the defense. Eto pa, keeping takes off. Okay, back to the ball game. Both teams mo, parehas mo may take dalawang time out. Okay, back to the ball game. And here's jersey number, balik lang dito, jersey number 26, Ramos. Jersey number 14, jersey number 8, Ramos. Sa tatluhan, ayaw, and he got jersey number 17 to jersey number 0. And a bullet pass, and he got stolen jersey number 10. Agaw ang buka, agaw dito sa atin ng mga kasul, and here's jersey number 26, Ramos. Ayaw. Jersey number 8, inside play. Ayaw pa rin, masyadong malat. At rebound dito para sa kanila mga kabente. At may foul na tatawag. Foul charge jersey number 14. Dalawa. And here's jersey number 13. Slow play applied, 3 minuto. And he reverses. Ayaw para rebound jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 14. And he got stolen jersey number 13. Whistle blow. Ball charge jersey number 10. Penalty. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. First try. Basket. Second in the last shot. Ayaw, and even jersey number 8. Maul yan to jersey number 5. Ramos, short jumper. Make it 73 to 67. 6-point lead. And here's just number 13. Slow play apply. Then on the shot clock. Shot clock continues winding down. 5 seconds to work with. And he gets down just number 10. Maulio looking for his teammate. Jersey number 14 takes off. Ayaw. And he got jersey number 5 from top of the ilaglag sa ilalim. Time out. Requested by Balay Tigel. Luwalhati. Hati diskarta, tuloy-tuloy, ayaw, tapikan. And he got jersey number 8. Blue ball, 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining. And here's jersey number 8. Maulyon, Hati diskarta, jersey number 26, Ramos. Maulyon, jersey number 10, beyond the arc. And even 28. 1 minute and 30. Luwalhati holding the leather. Luwalhati ang may tangan. Whistle blow. Palitan, foul charge just number 8. Penalty. Isang minuto and 22 seconds. 1 minute and 22. Luwalhati first try. Back up the iron. Second try to beat the last shot. 2-0. Henry but jersey number 1. Montemayor jersey number 8. Ranging like a bullet inside play. Make it 71 to 73. Dadalawa ang kalamangan. Whistle blow. Foul charge jersey number 8. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Penalty. First try, basket. Second try to complete this 2-point play. Jersey number 13. Sa free throw line. Time out requested by Bulihan.
14. Evans, 14 na.
And here's just number 26, just number Maulyon sa tatluhan. 3. Make it 7 to 5, 74. 50 seconds. And against the basket. 45 seconds. 40. 35. Whistle blow. At may foul na tawag. Foul charge just number 5. Penalty. 33 seconds. 33. First try. Basket. Second try to meet the last shot. Deep in sa free throw line. 33 seconds. And here's just number 4. Maulyon driving in the middle. Whistle blow. Green ball. Same ball. 26 seconds. 7 on the shot clock. Whistle blow. Foul charge just number 13. Deep in. 23 seconds. 2 team fouls. Maulyon. At may palit na tawag, foul charge just number 13. 21 seconds. 21. Kailangan yan. Maulyon, first drive. Basket. Second try to beat the last shot. Jersey number 8. Second try and he gets the basket. Third try sa free throw line. Kailangan yan. Time out requested by Balay Ticket. Okay. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Shot na isa. Lepas berjalan sama whistle blow. Ball just number 8. Penalty. First try. Basket. Wala na pong time out for teams. 2 to make 2. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds. 14. Who's foul left? Foul just number 13. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, congratulations. Balay ticket. And the score po natin, make it 81 to 77.
May sapatos pa ako sa bahay, abando.
33 seconds. And here's just number 4, Maulyon driving in the middle. He's a blow, he's a blow. Green ball. Same ball, same ball. 26 seconds. 7 on the shot clock. Whistle blow. Foul charge just number 13. Dip-dipping. 23 seconds. Two team fouls. Maulyon. At may palit na tawag, foul charge just number 13. 21 seconds, 21. Kailangan yan. Maulyon, first drive. Basket. Second try to be the last shot. Jersey number 8. Second try and he gets the basket. Third try sa free throw line. Kailangan yan. Time out requested by Balay ticket. Okay. 21 seconds. 21 seconds, shot na isa. Lepas bekerja semua whistle blow. Foul charge just number 8. Penalty. First try. Basket. Wala na pong timeout for teams. 2 to make 2. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds. 14. Who's foul left? Foul charge just number 13. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, congratulations. Balay ticket. And the score po natin, make it 81 to 77.
May sapatos pa ako sa bahay, abando.